The Google Pixel 6 Pro, people. I am super excited to check this one out. Alright, so let's do this, no time wasting at all. Lift the box open, pull the tab and lift the phone straight out of the box. We are not messing around in this video. They're calling this cloudy white, but I can describe this as an ivory white. It's a nice finish. It does not pick up fingerprints, no smudges. It's actually a very nice design. You have the Terminator style camera bump, which I'm still getting used to. I'm getting acquainted to this, but I really do like the Pro version's metal trim going all the way around, and just in between the top you have this plastic white strip. I'm not sure if that is a design element or if that was required, but maybe a metal trim going all the way around would have been nicer. And this is the Pro version, and no doubt it does feel slightly bigger than the standard 6, which I am going to bring in very quickly just to do a side by side. So you can see the Pro version is slightly taller. The width feels very similar. I think the Pro version is actually slightly bigger in both height and width. So interesting stuff. The Pixel 6 Pro also has triple cameras on the back. So we've got a 50 megapixel primary, 12 megapixel ultra wide, but you're also getting a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. You've got Gorilla Glass protection on the back, and a quick look inside the box, you will find a Type-C to Type-C cable. You've got a Type-C to USB-A adapter and some paperwork. So no charging brick included in the Pro version either. It would have been nice if they actually gave you a power brick with the Pro version, considering it's the top of the range model, but I guess they had to join the team with Samsung and Apple. On the front you have, take this off, a 6.7 inch OLED 120 Hz refresh, 512 pixels per inch, and this is actually a Quad HD Plus display, screen res 1440 by 3120, and you also have Gorilla Glass Victus on top. Now there is a centered hole punch camera, and it's slightly upgraded than the Pixel 6 version. That's an 11.1 megapixel front camera, and of course a full screen display, but it seems like the displays are slightly different. I'm going to have to quickly compare this. You've got slimmer bezels on the Pro version, and the screen almost folds around the corner just like a Samsung Infinity display. So it looks like you're getting a much more advanced and higher quality display on the Pro model, and it also looks better with minimal bezels and the screen curves around the corner. So I already know which phone I want. Now the Pixel 6 Pro is powered by Google's brand new chipset, the Google Tensor, which is an octa-core chip clocked at 2.8 gigahertz, and there is also a security coprocessor called the Titan M2. The Pro version has 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. Quick look at the ports. At the bottom we have a microphone, Type-C port and a single speaker. And on this side we have volume rocker and power button. At the top of the device there is nothing, but there is a loudspeaker on the earpiece. And on the other side we have a SIM card tray. Quickly want to show you that it's actually a single 5G SIM card tray. So there's no dual SIM, and there's also no microSD expansion included in the Pixel 6 series. Now this phone is running Android version 12, and being a Google phone, you can expect the latest Android updates with a minimum of 5 years of ongoing security updates. So the Pixel 6 Pro is an absolute marvel of a design. Absolutely love that gorgeous display, 120 Hz refresh, big camera, triple sensors on the back, stereo speakers. You have that powerful performance from the Google Tensor, which is probably going to compete with the Snapdragon 888. So a lot to test and discover from the new Pixel 6 series. The features of these phones are vast. There are a lot of new features which I am not allowed to talk about yet, so there is a lot to check out. I am no doubt going to push these phones to the limit and find out all the good and the bad and present it to you in my true to life, honest style. So stay tuned, do subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.